Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device is a Samsung A9 running the up government image. That matters because policies can lock wallpaper settings. First, unlock and sign into the admin account you normally use. Once done, make a quick backup of home screen shortcuts and a screenshot of the current wallpaper so you can restore layout later. Then open settings directly. Don't navigate through third-party launchers yet. Go straight to System Settings so you can remove enforced wallpaper entries immediately. You now go to Settings right arrow Wallpaper and Style and check both Home and Lock screens. Tap the current image and choose Remove or Default. If the option is blocked by policy, navigate to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow tap the three dots right arrow Show System Apps, then find Wallpaper Picker or System UI. Tap Storage, then clear data to reset the stored wallpaper. Once cleared, select a new default or a plain solid color. This forces the system to overwrite the enforced image and restores normal behavior. You finish by rebooting the tablet to ensure the system applies the new state. Then verify both home and lock screens display the default or your chosen wallpaper. If the old wallpaper persists, clear the launcher app cache or boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app enforces the image. If policies still force it, contact the up government IT admin, or, with permission, perform a factory reset after backing up user data. One troubleshooting tip: clearing wallpaper picker/system UI data usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.